Flamingo Books. Enjoy with Mathematics. Chapter 16, Statistics.
What is statistics? Statistics is the study of collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. It helps in making decisions based on data. What is mean, median, mode? These three are central concepts in statistics, known as measures of central tendency. They help to describe the center or typical value of a data set. Mean, used to find the average of a set of data, such as average monthly income. Median, useful when data is skewed, like in income distribution, where a few very high or low values might distort the mean. Mode helps in understanding the most common occurrences, like the most popular shoe size in a store. Mean, arithmetic average. The mean is the sum of all the values in a data set divided by the total number of values. It gives the average value. Formula. Mean is equal to sum of observations divided by total number of observation. Example. Consider the number of products sold in 5 days. 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Solution. Sum of the observations 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 is equal to 100. Number of observations 5. Mean is equal to 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. So, the mean number of products sold per day is 20. Median, middle value. The median is the middle value of a data set when arranged in order. If the data set has an odd number of values, the median is the middle value. If the data set has an even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle values. Formula. If odd number of observations, median is equal to middle value. If even number of observations, median is equal to average of two middle values. Example. Consider the number of products sold in 5 days, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Solution. Arrange the data in ascending order 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Since there are 5 values, odd number, the median is the middle value, which is 20. So, the median is 20. Mode, most frequent value. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. A data set can have no mode, one mode, or more than one mode. Formula. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently. Example. Consider the number of products sold in 5 days, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Solution. The number 20 appears twice, which is more frequent than any other number. Therefore, the mode is 20.